Have you ever wondered what happens when the day turns into night momentarily in the middle of a bright sunny day? That's a solar eclipse for you, an extraordinary phenomenon that has fascinated humans for centuries. A total solar eclipse is a celestial spectacle that occurs when the moon, in all its glory, aligns perfectly with the sun, completely blocking its face. For a brief period, usually a few minutes, the world outdoors plunges into an eerie darkness, a nocturnal illusion during daytime. There's a buzz in the air as we approach the next total solar eclipse, scheduled for April 8th. This celestial event promises to be a sight to behold, even if it means a brief interlude of darkness in the middle of the day. Now, while the total solar eclipse is an astronomer's delight and a tourist magnet, it does come with its share of challenges. One of the most significant impacts of the upcoming eclipse is the widespread cell phone disruptions it is expected to cause. This disruption is due to the influx of tourists flocking to areas where the eclipse will be visible, causing a surge in cell phone traffic. An estimated 32 million people are expected to witness this spectacle in the path of totality, which includes popular tourist spots like Texas, Indiana, Ohio, Arkansas, Maine, and New York. Cell phone companies are gearing up for this surge, deploying additional signal boosters and portable towers to cope with the high traffic areas. But remember, areas along the path of totality will be the most affected. But cell phone disruptions aren't the only concern. There's also the potential impact on solar energy generation. Experts predict up to a 16% drop in daily irradiance for individual solar assets, and an overall decrease of around 11.7% in Texas's total daily solar generation. If you're planning to join the millions heading to Texas, a quick tip: enable Wi-Fi calling on your phone as a backup plan in case your regular signal cuts out. Lastly, a word of caution. As mesmerizing as it may be, never look directly at the sun during an eclipse, not even with sunglasses. It can cause serious damage to your eyes. Use special eclipse glasses or a pinhole projector to safely enjoy this celestial spectacle. So as we anticipate this remarkable cosmic event, remember to stay safe, stay connected, and most importantly, enjoy the spectacle.